What is going on, everyone? Crypto Underground is back with another new video about this little pullback that we are seeing right now here in the crypto space after Bitcoin, of course, had a massive rally to $120,000. Right now, we are seeing a pullback not only on Bitcoin, but of course on most of the altcoins. We're going to have a look into that. And of course, I'm going to reveal you also what kind of Pepe themed meme coins and projects that I'm buying up right now. Of course, be subscribed on this channel, guys. I update you every day what is going on here in the crypto space, and also make sure to check out all links that you find here, especially to the newest projects that we're talking about today. You're going to find all relevant links here in the video description. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to entertain you and also to show you my price predictions, my own researches, and also whatever I'm buying and selling here in the crypto space, of course, guys. So these are all my own researches and price predictions. So keep that in mind, guys. And we're gonna start, of course, with Bitcoin here on the daily chart on coin market cap, because as you can see, we are still chopping around here between $115,000 to $120,000, and this shows, of course, a predictable pullback after that the cryptocurrency failed to break above $123,000. This is our current resistance level here for Bitcoin. And historically, liquidity is shifting from Bitcoin to altcoins, of course, during such phases after we had such a big pump, of course. And this is what we have seen so far. And right now, of course, we are seeing a pullback whenever things are going more quiet. And of course, Bitcoin is calming down and also maybe even is having a little pullback here. Then, of course, also the altcoins are reacting. And dog coins like Shiba and Dogecoin have made also many early investors gain a lot of profits in the past. The key was always to be successfully invested into those new right meme coins in the very early stage, especially for the next 2025 bull run, as the value, community, and story are key to the spot the next 100x meme coins. Then, of course, it was very difficult to spot them. Now we have different tools and more things to research and so on. And of course, we know what we have to look at based on previous experiences with those very hyped new meme coins. And currently, frog-themed meme coins like Pepe, Neo Pepe, Little Pepe, Pepeto, and so on, there are so many that are upcoming, are of course the ones that currently are performing very, very well, and in my opinion will continue to perform well during this bull run of 2025, because also here we have Pepe. You can see the market cap is huge here, 5.3 billions around, and this is the price per Pepe right now, and the total supply is 420 trillions. And the upside potential for Doge, for Shiba, for Pepe, and so on, of course, you maybe can do a 3x, a 5x, or even more than that. It is possible, of course, but achieving 100x is, of course, extremely difficult right now with those hyped meme coins and altcoins that have already a big market cap. This is always what you have to look at the market cap, and then everything comes by itself. If it's getting hyped, if a coin is getting pumped or so, then of course you can make nice profits, but if not, then maybe you're just gonna sit around with some tokens that are never moving, at least during this run, maybe in future runs, who knows that. But of course, you're running also into high risks whenever you're buying into low market cap coins, but this is where the magic happens usually with those meme coins and altcoins. And here you can see that currently all type of Pepe themed meme coins, of course, also are performing nicely normally whenever the key one, the main one, like Pepe here, also is performing nicely. We even have Elon Musk that changed his profile picture over on X to a Pepe themed meme coin. And in my opinion, profits were already made a lot here with Pepe, Shiba, Dogecoin, and so on, the big meme coins. And they're going to continue to perform nicely, like you can see here on the monthly chart here for Pepe. And of course, you can also make here some gains, no financial advice, but like those historical profits that you had, like if you zoom out here, you can see those percentages. Those are, of course, hard to get when the market cap is already so high. So that's why I'm buying also into new coins with low market cap. And yes, they are much more risky, but this is where the big profits were made from those people that bought in very, very early when, of course, it was extremely high risk. Some people called it even a scam. And then at the end, they came out and then, of course, performed very, very nicely, not only in the immediate short term, but also in the long term. And we also have now other upcoming Pepe themed meme coins like Little Pepe, Neo Pepe, and so on. There are all type of layer twos on Ethereum or other coins that are coming out. And one of them is of course Pepeto, which I'm very bullish at. And of course, if you're also buying into this coin and you're following me, make sure to be subscribed here because I update you always on Pepeto because they're very, very active in their social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and of course here on X. Also, they're bringing out a lot of updates as soon as they're doing some work here on the website because once this one is coming out, I think that things will go very, very quickly. And Pepeto is more than just a meme coin here, as you can see, because this one here stands for truth, value, and the return of what was stolen. Because there are a lot of rumors and stories about Pepeto, of course. You can watch it over on YouTube or Instagram, the complete story, or read it over in the white paper. And this one here, the story says that Pepe grabbed the 4 letters, Pepe, and ran with the fame, and Pepeto held the T and the O, the final pieces needed to complete the name. And rumors are suggesting that the ex-founder of Pepe is behind the project Pepeto after being betrayed by his ex-co-founder. This is like the key story that you get when you're going through their shorts and stories about Pepeto on the white paper. And this is kind of the rumor. So one of Pepe's original founders was cut out just before launch, betrayed and silenced. He didn't disappear. He waited, holding onto the letters T and O, while Pepe ran off with Pepe. Now he's back, and Pepeto's launch is being called the Day of Redemption. This is at least the rumors and everything about Pepeto, what's written also in the white paper and also in different crypto articles and so on, because also they are featured in different crypto websites already. And that's why also I found out about this Pepeto, because it is very hyped in different crypto websites, and we're just basically waiting for the launch now. And given the same market supply of Pepe and Pepeto with 420 trillions, with the current Pepeto price that you can see here on the dashboard, whenever you want to buy, you see here the current price, which keeps increasing the more time passes, as you can see here by the countdown, that more time passes with every round, the higher the price will go until the launch price. And then, of course, it is dropping on exchanges and so on. And then this will be then the launch price on exchanges. And then we're going to see what happens with the coin. And meanwhile, of course, you can buy and also stake the coin and accumulate more by the time we're waiting for the launch. And for example, investing $10,000, if Pepeto would only reach Pepe's price, this would be already like 100x, comparing this price here to the original Pepe price. And of course, nothing is guaranteed. Everything can happen. But you see what I mean? Whenever you're buying into a coin with low market cap, with the same limited supply of 420 trillions and this big price difference, of course, that Pepeto could reach one day maybe the price of Pepe makes it, of course, a more interesting investment, at least for me at the moment. And this is why I'm so bullish currently also for Pepeto and also the Pepeto exchange. They are going also to have this bridge. Also here you can see different features that this exchange will have here, Pepeto on their X post here. So Pepeto comes back with real features, a story stirring up the crypto world and a vision that's already catching eyes. So if the expected tier 1 exchange listing drops, things could of course move very, very fast because everything else is already built here. And that's why, in my opinion, we have here a good potential 100x coin eventually. No promises, guys, but I'm looking always out for new coins with low market cap, as you can see here also in the video description down here. And Pepeto is definitely one because it's a full exchange for meme coins only, bridge tech to connect across blockchains, a zero-fee swap platform, smooth trading, of course, possible then, a rising community backing every move. And also, if you want to get in touch or buy into some of those coins, then of course you can use the dashboard, just connect your wallet. You can also use your card, of course, if you want. You just have to set up a DeFi wallet like MetaMask, for example. Also here, I topped up some Ethereum and Tether, and I'm buying here into this coin here. You can use Tether or Ethereum or even BNB. But if you want to stake, which is currently, of course, profitable right now, since you can buy some and then just keep staking them and accumulate more and more coins, the more this one takes to come out. As you can see, this is the amount of funds that they raised so far. And if you're buying into this coin, you can claim the coins then at launch, and you keep accumulating more and more until launch. So we will see when this one will come out, and of course then things will go fast, in my opinion. And that's why right now I'm buying into this one, and of course staking and waiting for the launch. And I keep you updated, guys. So that's it for now. Make sure to be here subscribed, guys, because I update you every day what is going on here in the crypto space, especially when it comes to new coins and of course also Bitcoin. Right now we are, in my opinion, in a buy the dip area. And of course, I'm watching out also for new coins like Pepeto and so on. So check them out in the video description. Use the official links to those projects and stay subscribed here, guys. Thank you very much for watching. That's it for now. Crypto Underground over for now.